Ready to unlock the power of automation and effortlessly connect your favorite apps? Let's dive into N8n, the flexible, open-source platform that puts you in control of your workflows. First, open your N8n instance. If you haven't installed it yet, check the link in the description for setup instructions. We'll start with a blank canvas. Every workflow begins with a trigger. Think of it as the starting pistol for your automation. Click the button and choose a trigger node. For this example, let's select a webhook trigger. This allows our workflow to activate when a specific web address is accessed. Now, configure your trigger and N8n will provide you with a unique test URL. Copy this URL. We'll need it later to test if our trigger is working correctly. You might need to choose a HTTP method, such as POST or GET, depending on how you plan to trigger your workflow. Next, let's add an action node, something that will do something when the workflow is triggered. Click the button again and this time, choose an action. Let's pick a Slack node to send a message. Connect the webhook trigger to the Slack node by dragging a line between them. Now configure the Slack node. You'll need to connect your Slack account to N8n. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Then, specify the channel you want to send the message to and the message content itself. You can even use data from the webhook trigger in your message, making it dynamic. Time to test. Use a tool like Postman, or even just paste the webhook URL into your browser. To send a test request, if everything is configured correctly, you should see a message pop up in your Slack channel. Congratulations, you've created your first N8n workflow. Remember to activate the workflow by clicking the active toggle at the top right. This will ensure it runs automatically whenever the trigger is activated. Experiment with different nodes, explore integrations, and unleash the full potential of automation with N8n. For more advanced tutorials and workflow examples, check out the links in the description. Happy automating!